Okay, here we are. We're all finished. It's all put back together, looking real good. That's the good part. So let's flip it on and see if it works.
You screwed us all. In fact, while you're here, why don't you clear up the five desk?
I don't think so.
Well, no one cares what you think anymore. You're an embarrassment.
I'm going to turn that light off. You can see it a little better. Okay, everything seems to work. I got a switch on somewhere. We'll just get rid of that.
Come take a look.
Okay. Go back to the main screen here. As you can see, I've already calibrated the sticks, and I have full throw on my throttle stick and my rudder stick, which I already had that. Now the one we want to check is the elevator stick. Yes, all the way up, all the way down. Very nice. That's what we wanted. That's what we needed to fix. Okay, so the sticks are all back together. That's real nice. That's what we're looking for. It did take a little bit to get this fixed, but it's done. Now the part where we'll do some flying, that's going to take I'm going to be flying real close to home here. Nothing's going to get too far away from me until I'm sure about this radio and make sure that it's working right. Other than that, I'm real happy with the way it turned out. In another video, I mentioned something about not being able to tell if you have a bad pot on your stock firmware. You have a screen. It's similar to this screen right here on the stock firmware. It's not like this one, but it's real similar. So if you have like let's say right now this is full throttle and this is throttle all the way off. Let's say you're at full throttle and it's only this far. Then you're going to tell. That's going to tell you right there that you have a pot problem with your throttle. Now, if you start using this and that doesn't go all the way to one end and all the way to the other end, then you're going to know you have a problem. So that's probably about the only way you're going to be able to tell. Same with the elevator. Switch hands here. The elevator has to go all the way to one end and all the way to the other. So if you push it all the way up and it only goes this far, you're going to know that you probably do have a pot problem. So that's the only way I can see doing that on the stock firmware. But I mean, that's going to be your best shot for finding out. So keep an eye on that, and then you won't have to worry about anything else. Let's get back to the main screen here. Everything seems to be working just great. I'm going to show you how to calibrate the sticks. So all you're going to do is push the plus button once, and you're going to push it one more time. Okay, and that's going to bring you up to the calibration. So it says select a menu, and the menu button's here. Okay, it says set sticks to all midpoints, which I've already done. I don't need to do this again. And when done, hit menu again, and what you would hit the menu button again. And now it's going to tell you to move the sticks all around. And your pots. I'm having trouble doing this with one hand. And then when it says when you're done, hit menu and then hit exit. So I might have to redo this again because I just did this with one hand. Now it seems to be working still. Everything's right in the midpoints. So that's it. It's finished. I'm glad. I think that's good. Like I said, we'll be flying real close to home, making sure that that it does control the helicopters in my 550 real well before we take off on any FPV flights for over, let's say, a quarter of a mile, half mile away. We won't be doing anything like that for quite some time until I'm sure if this is working right. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.